What is up, guys? Welcome to today's trade recap. I did not take a trade once again. Pretty choppy price action. So yeah, let's go over it. I was super bullish going into today. ES was at all-time highs and NQ was right next to all-time highs. We did have data highs and lows. So this is what I wanted to see happen. Either longs from data lows and also tap an fair value gap, or continue lower, tap this 4 fair value gap, and then long from there. And also sweep London and Asia lows. Um, Oops. So yeah, and our market open. I really thought that we were gonna get the setup. I mean, we kind of did. Um, I didn't take this trade, but I'll go over it and why I didn't take it. Um, Here we ended up sweeping data lows. We also tapped this hourly fair value right here. This hourly fair value wasn't on NQ, it was only on MNQ. I'll show you guys. So as you can see right there, we have this hourly fair value there, which is what I wanted to see us tap. We ended up tapping it right here. Once we tapped it, I was gonna take this 1 minute inverse right here. We never got the close though, so no entry there. And then we ended up getting a resweep of the low. So right here, let me see. So yeah, we got a resweep, and then there was this 30-second right here, which I was gonna take, but I didn't take, and I faded it because I mean either way would have been, I guess, a break even trade. But yeah, we ended up putting an SMT here with this high. And so, well, no, we actually got the SMT. Hold up. We got the SMT right here, right? So we got the SMT before we got the inverse. And we didn't even get a clean, like, strong push through this 30 second. We took one, two, three, four, five, six candles to inverse it. So it just not, wasn't good. Plus we had the SMT. And so then we still had this SMT. And then we got this big kind of like push lower. So I thought, okay, we have the same thing with a 5 minute fair value gap, which was gonna be my target. And so I wanted us to come down and tap this forward fair value gap, which was also Asia and London lows right there. And we didn't really get that. We ended up sweeping this 5 minute intermediate low with a super reaction. As you can see, we swept it and boom, super reaction. We were also inside of this hourly fair value gap, 50 minute fair value gap, right? And then boom, V-shape 1 minute inverse. And the reason that I didn't take this was once again because I still had the idea that I wanted to take longs from here. And we also had the SMT, so in my eyes, the targets just weren't good because of the SMT. I mean, sure, the draw was still higher to data highs and all-time highs. So you could have faded this SMT and still taking this trade. And this trade, you would have almost gotten stopped out. I know a lot of people got stopped out on this trade because they had like the stop around here. But what I always do, whenever we have like a big wick like this, I put it under the CE of it, so under the half, like zero point 0.5 point, and have it like 0.62, so right here. So entry would have been right there, and stop would have been there, and your stop loss would have gotten edged, but then break even would have been this high, and then yeah, you take profit at the 5 minute for a 1-to-1. But yeah, and I faded this trade because I wanted to take longs from here. We had the SMT and we were super close to London lows as well. Like, look, oops, like we were like less than 20 points away from it, like 13 points. So I don't know, I just didn't really have the confidence for it. And I'm not really mad that I didn't take this because I had my reasons for it and I didn't have my own conviction on it. So yeah, I just didn't take this trade. And then there was just nothing else to take. Price action, tap the 5 minute value gap, and we just straight up chopped the rest of the day. And now we're getting, I guess, some moves, but still super choppy price action with almost no volatility, with almost like no volume. So yeah, um, yeah, I guess that I could have faded SMT, but honestly, being so close to, bro, like being so close to the hourly 4 hour fair value gap, 20 points away, bro, like we have this MT at the 5 minute fair value gap. I don't know. Like if this shit had been a loss, I would have been kind of mad at myself. And yeah, uh, because for me to take a long from here, it had to be like a super reaction. So yeah, so that is why I was willing to take this 1 minute here and then a 30-second that we had. But then yeah, so no trade so far this week. Um, have not taken a trade on my founder. Oh, my eval, I ended up gambling it on you, so I lost it. Um, yeah, I put like this, I put the stock market sell, stock market buy, and I got cooked because of this week. And yeah, whatever. Um, yeah, I mean, yesterday there was a trade that I should have taken. It ended up being break even either way, but I should have still taken it though. It was a 30-second long, uh, like right here, I think. But yeah, never mind, it was like right here. But yeah, so far super slow week. Monday there was a trade that what's this one here? That I just couldn't really take because of the entry. But yeah, yeah, not much to it, bro. I feel like I had my reasons not to take this trade, and that I haven't taken a trade all week. But yeah, I don't know. So that is pretty much it for today. And yeah, peace out.